We are coming to you from the atrium of the new Bob and Pat Maurer Center, the new home of the College of Business, the largest construction project in the history of Bowling Green State University. Welcome to this month's Rogers Report. So tell me a little bit about this building and how this fits into the overall academic future of Bowling Green.
Yes, this building is great because we have to attract students, and students look for really great facilities. They want facilities that fit their lifestyles, their mindsets. With Generation Z students, they want collaborative spaces. They want to be able to congregate, work with one another, exchange ideas, and the new building here does that. It's designed to do exactly that.
Brooke, welcome to the Student Advising Center of your new home in the College of Business.
Thank you. I'm so excited to be here. It's such an amazing environment already, and I cannot wait to see what it looks like when it's finished.
When you chose Bowling Green, what were some of the deciding factors?
Well, right when I stepped on campus with my parents, it just felt like family. I felt like I belonged here, and it was such a great community, and I knew I needed to come to Bowling Green State University.
Great. Thank you, Brooke. You're going to teach me how to bend some conduit today?
Correct. We're going to bend a 90.
Bend a 90?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Keep going.
Keep going?
Yeah, okay.
Keep
Whoa,
going?
whoa, whoa, whoa. That's good.
Does that look perfect?
It certainly
What do you
does.
think?
We can check it if you want.
Let's not. Okay.
That's how we do it.
You're going to have to redo this, do you think?
No, we're going to leave that just like that. That's
Really?
all fine, yes.
What are your plans after graduation?
So after graduation, I want to go into marketing or into public relations, preferably in the auto industry, perhaps General Motors or one of the big three in Detroit, where I'm originally from.
So tell me why you want to return home.
A lot of the times people, they reach where they want to go and then they don't go back to give to the communities that they came from. And so I'm hoping to break that and to be able to go back and give so that people can come up after me and do great things and change the world.
The unique part of this building is the space we're standing in right now, which are really learning laboratories. Imagine like a maker space within a College of Business where discovery-based learning occurs. You're going to have to come here fall of 2020 to see this space, but it will redefine student success for the College of Business at Bowling Green. Adria, what do you think? You've joined us on this tour.
It is amazing, beautiful, and I cannot wait for it to open next year.
Tell me a little bit about the transformation on this campus that you've seen when you first arrived at Bowling Green as a student back in the 90s to where we are today.
Oh, it's absolutely amazing. It has changed so much, and just to be a part of the process and to see all the change, it really shows students that we're investing in them and their success here and beyond BG.
So here we are in the lobby of Hana Hall, which will be the entrance from the Bowen Thompson quadrangle of the new Maurer Center, the new home of the College of Business Administration. While it may not look like much today, by next fall, this entrance will be an amazing entrance to a facility that not only benefits these students that are with me today, but thousands of more students who will be future students and future alums of Bowling Green State University. I hope you all can come back and see the opening, fall of 2020. See you next month on the Rogers Report.